Welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So today we're going to make an incredible sandwich. This is going to be our take on Arby's Big Beef and Cheddar. So Arby's was founded in 1964 by the Raffle brothers. Raffle brothers, R-B, Arby's. They wanted to go with the name Big Tex first, but that name was already taken. So in Boardman, Ohio, they opened their first chain. Now they have over 3,300 restaurants across the world, and they are the third largest sandwich company by revenue behind Subway and Panera Bread. There's something special about that Arby's Big Beef and Cheddar. The incredible roast beef, that cheese sauce, horsey sauce, and Arby's sauce. So the first thing we're going to do is put together our copycat recipe of the Arby's sauce. And we're going to do it with these ingredients. Going to use some ketchup. And it's going to be a little different take on it because I'm using this smoky red duck ketchup. A little bit of Tabasco. Some onion powder, some garlic powder, some brown sugar, some apple cider vinegar, and a little bit of water. So let's get to making that sauce. Once you have your ingredients together, this is crazy easy. I got my pot here on medium-low heat. So we add our ingredients. In goes the ketchup. And you can use regular ketchup if you wish. I just like that taste of that red duck smoky ketchup. And with some of our water and our apple cider vinegar. In with the rest of our water and our Tabasco sauce. And you can use any hot sauce that you like. And then in with the onion powder, garlic powder, brown sugar, and a little bit of salt. Now all we got to do is mix that up and let this simmer for about 20 minutes. Make sure you stir it often. There is sugar in here, so it can burn. Well, a lot of things can burn, even if it doesn't have sugar. Now, if you've ever ate at Arby's before, you know that their Arby's sauce has a pretty thin consistency. So if you don't have the consistency that you like, then go ahead and just add a little bit more water. Okay, we're all mixed up. Now we're just going to stir it occasionally for the next 20 minutes. So our barbecue sauce has been sitting in the fridge for a few hours, all those flavors mingling. So now what we're doing is getting ready to make the sandwiches. So I have about 2 pounds of that roast beef that we made a few episodes ago in about a half a cup of beef broth on low heat, getting it warm, making sure it's nice and juicy. And then we're going to get ready to make our cheese sauce. I have 2 tablespoons of butter over here that are melting on low heat. Then we're going to add some flour, going to add some milk, and add the cheese. Voila, we got our cheddar cheese sauce. The noise you hear in the background is my Ninja air fryer that is heating up so we can have some tater tots too, because I'm going to end up with more cheese than I need. We don't want that to go to waste. We'll put it on the tater tots. To that 2 tablespoons of butter, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. There's 1, and there's 2, and we'll get that all mixed together. To our roux, we're going to add a good pinch of some salt and pepper. Get that mixed up. And then we're going to add a cup of whole milk. Actually, I want to use the whisk for that. All right, back with the whisk, got about a half a cup of the milk in. Get that good and mixed up. All the lumps are gone. Add the other half cup. Okay, we're going to let that go for a little bit till the milk gets good and warm and get a little simmer on it. All right, now to start adding my shredded cheddar slowly in increments to my roux and milk mixture. Add a little bit, make sure it's melted, and then I'll add a little bit more. Okay, about ready to assemble. 2 of us want horsey sauce, 2 of us do not. So we'll get those done first. Good amount of horsey sauce on there, which is just deli horseradish. And we'll get some meat on all 4 of them. All right, we're all meated up now. Now, a little bit of Arby sauce on each one of them. And then the cheese. Now for the top buns, a little bit more of that Arby sauce. And there you have it, 4 beautiful Copycat Arby's big beef and cheddars. All right, if you like what you saw today, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We really, really like when you hit that like button. It makes us smile. And if there's something you'd like to see us cook, put that down in the comments. Now time for the taste test. There's nothing like that mixture of the incredible roast beef, the cheese, the Arby sauce, and the horsey sauce. It all comes together in a beautiful medley in your mouth. Fantastic. Hope you like what you saw. See you next time on the Galley of the Sun.